In this video, we will see code implementation. So now let's quickly see the code implementation of the problem. So what I will do, I will create one function. So we have one function with the intervals given, intervals and the new interval. Okay. And now inside this function, I will create one resultant array. So result equals to one array. Then my I pointer will be at 0. Then n is equals to intervals dot length. Okay. Now, why before overlapping condition, right? Before an overlapping condition, how I get to know that this is an overlapping or not? My intervals I, comma 1, that is my end time. If it is less than the new interval starting time, I will say that you are not in an overlapping zone as of now. So result dot push intervals I, comma basically I, and I will do I plus plus, right? Now, once you are in overlapping zone, what will the condition of that? Basically, now I is less than n, and your intervals I, comma starting time, right? Starting time. If the starting time is less than equals to new interval and the time that you are in the overlapping zone. Now you are in an overlapping zone, you will modify your new interval. How you will modify? Your new interval 0 will be maths.min. Okay. Minimum of what? Intervals I starting time, basically intervals is starting time or new interval is starting time. So new interval starting time 0. Similarly, by like this math.min, you will update the end time of an interval, right? New interval is starting time, end time, and how this will be the end time? The ith end time and the new interval end time, right? And what you will do? You will do I plus plus. So you have modified your new interval. And once you have modified your new interval, what you will do? You will push it. So you will simply push into the resultant. Result dot push new interval. New interval. Once I push it, okay, what I will say? I will say while I is less than n. Okay, result dot push. Now this is for after overlapping condition. I will push all the intervals I. Okay, and again I plus plus. That's it. Now before moving to the function, I will simply return my result. Yeah. So this is before an overlap. This is before an overlapping, in an overlapping, after an overlap. Right. So let's quickly understand the dry run of it so you will get a better clarity of it. So in the next video, I will show you the dry run of this code.